Meaning of fuddled.
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 Fuddled. Fuddled is an adjective that means to be confused, intoxicated, or muddled. When someone is fuddled, they may have trouble thinking clearly, speaking coherently, or understanding complex information. They may also experience physical symptoms such as stumbling, slurring their words, or feeling dizzy. Being fuddled can result from consuming drugs or alcohol, experiencing extreme fatigue, or being in a highly stressful situation. In any case, it is important to seek help and avoid engaging in dangerous activities while in this state.